What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. Guys, I'm taking today to be a self-care day. I'll be getting a pedicure, a massage, and also doing my hair, you guys. So sit back, relax, and watch the video, and hopefully you will enjoy it. Today I decided to get a bright color. I always get the nude or the neutral colors, so I said, let me do something different. So this is the color that I went with. Okay guys, I came to get my massage. I just finished getting my feet done. I'm going to get a 70-minute massage, you guys. I don't think they won't let me record here, but this is what it looks like. Start, so you can't see much. Okay, my little riders, I decided to put a tech slacks on my hair because it's harder for me to braid when it's all packed up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go to the beauty supply and look for some hair because I didn't have any hair on hand. I did, but they were for somebody's wig, so can't use the customer's hair. But yeah, even with me putting the relaxer on, it's like my hair has not been relaxed in years, and I keep cutting it. I've cut it about 5 or 6 times, like really low, almost to the scalp. And now it's like, relaxer, what you doing, chick? You tripping. What is this creamy crack on my head? But yeah, I just put it on long enough for it to just stretch out a little bit and make it easier for me to braid. Hey, what's up, my YouTube family? I'm in the beauty supply, getting ready to give me some hair.
I can see that window.
Oh, at this window? I don't even know what I want. You guys, that beauty supply had me all the way messed up. Child. I wish I paid $400 and some for that hair. It ain't even top-notch hair. I just want something to put a weave in right quick. But I'm going to go to Amazon and it'll be delivered tomorrow. Okay, my lords. I am getting ready to go get my eyebrows threaded. I put the relaxer on my hair, went to the beauty supply to get some hair. And child, that hair they had me trying to get, they are out of their mind. So I went on to handy dandy Amazon. And here lately Amazon ain't been doing too bad. But I was not gonna pay no $400 for some hair that, when I looked it up on Amazon, was only $100 and something. They had me all the way messed up. So, long story short, I went to Amazon and I ordered the hair, and it'll be here tomorrow. So right now I'm on my way to get my eyebrows threaded. Go home and what do I have to do? Still waiting for the okay on the sponsorship that I did for the video, so I can put one whole video together.
And yeah, because I guarantee you, if I leave that out of the video, then guess what? They're gonna say, okay, and that wasn't really a part of the video. I wanted to go in that one to get that sponsorship over with. So yeah, that's it. Should I just do anything today? But yeah, I was gonna go try that McDonald's that new drink they have, the Sprite something with the cream. But do I want that sugar? No. And then I was gonna go get me some wings, but I remember I got wings at home, so I'm gonna have wings and a salad again for lunch. And probably had the same thing for dinner because I ain't gotta cook nothing. Then I might take my granddaughter out to eat somewhere, like somewhere simple. Get her a little kid spaghetti because she loves spaghetti. Don't have much to clean. I don't really have anything to clean at home. I just need to do some a couple of loads of laundry. And still ain't hooked up to my mic, you guys. But I am gonna start using it because I do not want to be buying stuff and not using it. I had so many little items that I bought for vlogging and didn't use it. So many items that I bought for my household and didn't use it. But I did do a video where I was using about 4 things that I bought and never used. So that is that. You guys, it's so pretty outside today. It's 79 degrees. And for me, 79 degrees would be perfect weather for every single day. No rain, no wind, no nothing. Just 79 degrees. Yeah, got this little stuff on. I gotta rinse this conditioner out. I might, you know what? No, I'm gonna leave it on a little bit longer. I'll rinse it out later on tonight, and then I'll braid it up in the morning. Because the damn sure won't be a quick weave. That's what took my edges out before. And I'm so glad they're back. And it's gonna be a sewing weave again. A sewing weave, guys. So with that being said, I'm just rambling and I ain't got nothing to say. I'm just rambling because I'm driving it in the car. And I'll see y'all in a few. Can't remember which one I went to, Eyebrows or Us or the last shop. Let me see. I remember what it looks like when I walk in there. Okay, you guys, I am here about to get my brows threaded.
You guys, ooh, it kind of hurts. It's different than getting waxed, but it's weird because you can hear the hairs being ripped out from the thread.
You guys, I forgot to get on here and tell you guys I started braiding my hair because my hair comes today. So I'm braiding my hair. So when the hair gets here, I can just sew the weave on. I'm braiding it and I'm going to put the net on. And this is all the leave out that I'm leaving out.
Okay, my little riders, right after I finished braiding my hair, the hair came, and it's from BSQQ. I got it from Amazon. I got the 22, the 20, and the 18-inch. You guys, the bundles feel so good, you guys. One of my customers bought this hair from them, and it worked really well for her, so I decided to try it myself because I didn't have any bundles on hand for myself, so I had to order some from Amazon. Okay, I got my hair braided down with minimal leave out. Now I'm going to sew the net on.
Okay, you guys, the net is on, and this is the kind of net that I use. I love this net. Love it.
Okay, the first bundle that I'm going to sew on is a 22 inch, and after that's going to be the 20 inch and the 18 inch because I wanted to give it a layered effect, and I'm doubling the weft. And also, let me add, I did not cut the tracks. Okay, I'm done with the 22 inch, and now I'm about to start sewing on the 20 inch. You guys, this hair feels fabulous. Sewing on the 20 inch hair now.
The 20 inches in now. You guys, this is gonna look amazing.
Now I'm putting the 18 inch bundle, and guess what, you guys? I said I was going to take it around in a circle, and I did, and it looks good. However, I'm going to take that 18 inch down. I'm just going to go back and forth with it because that's what I did the last time. I don't know why I decided to do it in a circle.
Okay, you guys, I have everything sewn on. See? Sewn on good, flip back. Now I just gotta put some heat. Some heat to my edges. And I'm glad I left the amount that I left out. It's so natural. Yes, it does. Oh. Okay, you guys, hold on. Okay, guys, I am done and I love it. Did the flip over method. I can have it going straight back if I want to. Flip to this side or that side. Let me show you guys the flip back. Slide. Love it. Oh yeah, you guys, I have something else to say too. When I first get my weaves, I like how it looks, but I like when my weave is about 2 to 3 weeks old and the tracks is laying like they lay. They laying like they lay now, but they be so relaxed and my scalp be so like, whoo, it's not tight anymore. But yeah, I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Hey, hey. Okay, you guys. Of course, I'm finished with my hair. I found a good movie. My sister told me about the movie The Testament, and it's a spinoff from The Handmaid's Tales. Starting off good already. So I made me some cheesy popcorn. Let me show you how cheesy it is. Get all that cheese. Yep. So that's what I'm doing the rest of the night. I'm watching movies and chilling. That's it. Good night, all. Good night.